araw mga ka-journalist! Nandito tayo ngayon live sa Arcelo Memorial National High School at kinaganap ngayon dito ang kompetisyon para sa matatalino at magagaling na journalist. Ako si Roslyn Laura, ang iyong Cebu Province Express News Anchor. Hindi madali ang maging isang journalist, ngunit alam kong ang bawat mag-aaralan na pili ay naghanda ng mabuti kasama ang kanilang mga coach. Makikita naman natin sa mga kalahok ang kanilang determinasyon at pagpupursigi upang makamit ang tagumpay. Samahan natin si Alison Tariao upang tuklasin ang mundo ng journalism. Magandang hapon mga ka-journalist. Ako ay kasalukuyang nandito ngayon sa Arcelo Memorial National High School kung saan dito nagsama-sama ang mga campus journalist mula sa iba't ibang parte ng Cebu. Ngayong araw ng Lunes, ika-25 ng Marso, taong kasalukuyan. Makikita natin ang mga partisipante na maayos na nakikinig sa isinasagawang lecture para sa mga journalist. Ginanap din ngayon ang kompetisyon sa mga sumusunod na kategorya: layouting, column writing, editorial writing, feature writing, editorial cartooning, mobile journalism, and photojournalism. Nagsama-sama ang mga journalist sa iba't ibang parte ng Cebu Province Division, hindi lamang upang makipagkompetensya, kundi upang patunayan din na ang batang mamamahayag na ito ay maaaring makambag sa ating komunidad. At yan ang mga impormasyon na aking nakalap sa araw na ito. Ako si Alison Peter Yao, your Cebu Province Express News Reporter. Araw na nakalipas simula nung muling buksan ang Division Press Conference 2024. Masaya at excited ang lahat dahil sa wakas ay opisyal na ang pagbabalik ng event na ito. Sa pamamagitan ng press conference ay maipapamalas ng mga estudyante ang kani-kanilang kaalaman at kahusayan sa iba't ibang larangan ng kaalaman. Samahan natin si Angelo Maglangit na kilatisin at kausapin ang mga partisipante at mga coach.
Magandang araw mga ka-journalist. Nandito ako ngayon sa Arcelo Memorial National High School where the competition of who is the best campus journalist in every province in Cebu is currently taking place. I have here questions for the coaches and participants that is here right now. Manara, is this your first time as a campus journalist?
Yes.
What do you feel and what are your experiences as a campus journalist?
It's very nerve-wracking because it's like I never started writing until this grade, but I find it comforting that I'm able to express my emotions into my works. I feel very nervous most of the time, especially when during the contest. But nice vision experience. I get to see the many students who are also interested in journalism. So it's very nice.
Actually, this is my first time teaching journalism in my new school as I was installed in a public institution in Barili just last year, January 2023, and it's my first time teaching hardly feature writing. However, what's funny about it was that when I was still in high school, I used to be a journalist. I was an editorial journalist and a sports writer, and it's also monumental that my first DSPC happened here in Arcelo Memorial National High School way back 2015 or 14. And then fast forward, I am now a coach in feature writing. However, this is my first time teaching journalism to my students.
Thank you. Last question is what is your message for those who want to pursue journalism?
Okay, my message to all those students, or let's say budding journalists, is to speak your truth, because even how
we all know now how important campus journalism is. Yun lang ang lahat na may ulat ko sa araw na ito. Muli, ako si Angelo Maglangit, yung Cebu Province Express News Reporter.
Press Conference ay isa sa pinakasikat at kawili-wiling kaganapan sa ating bansa. Maraming mag-aaral ang nabigyan ng pagkakataong maipakita ang kanilang talento dahil sa event na ito. Ating subaybayan si Aisidel Batukan upang lubusan nating maunawaan ang press conference at kung ano ang kahalagahan nito.
Press Conference is the most famous and interesting group event in the country. This is the most awaited event that students have been waiting for, in which selected students from different schools compete to win. Press conferences are more than just a gathering of journalists and newsmakers. They are a battleground for wits, where the questions ain't asked, where stories unfold, and where truth is pursued. As part of the world crisis we had encountered, our society is slowly rising, paving the way for everything to return to normal. But an unexpected event occurred that changed the course of our lives. The arrival of the devastating COVID-19 pandemic has almost crippled the country's economy, particularly the education industry. This has become a hindrance to the development of skills, talents, and various knowledge that every student needs in society. As what I have said, students from different schools came together to compete in various categories, showcasing their writing, editing, and reporting skills. It is a thrilling event that brings out the best in our young journalists. It's about making difference one story at a time. It's giving students a voice and empowering them to speak up. It's about shaping the future journalism right here in our campuses. To our fellow campus journalists, the fearless storyteller, the diligent reporters, and the creative mind behind the scenes, keep making your voice heard, keep telling your story, and keep making a difference. I am Aisidel Batukan, your Cebu Province Express News Reporter.
Balita ang nagsisilbing instrumento upang makakalap ng sapat na impormasyon at upang malaman ng mga tao ang mga nangyayari sa kanyang kapaligiran ng may katotohanan. At yan ang aming Cebu Province Express Journal Report para sa araw na ito. Muli, kami ang Cebu Province Express Camp Journalist.